Hi, I'm Assistant Chief Brian Reddy of the Nanuet Fire Department, Nanuet, New York. We are suburban to New York City, about 30 miles north and west of New York City. We're here doing final inspection on our 2017 E-ONE HP78 aerial. This for us is a first in our department. We are replacing an older style pumper with a new ladder as well as a pumper. So this is a first in our department, and we're really excited to be utilizing this truck. Some of the features: it's a 1,500 gallon a minute pump. It's got 500 gallons of water. It also carries 1,000 feet of 5-inch supply line, as well as 300 feet of 3-inch supply line as well, which we will carry off the back of the truck. This is going to run second due in our department. We have our primary truck will be in front of the building. The hopes is to potentially put this in a driveway. In our district, a lot of houses are set back off the road, so this will be able to get us easier access to the building, as well as if we need additional hand lines or other purposes, we can get them to round to the back of the building as well. We went with the sidestacker body, which leaves a pretty large area on the side of the truck, and we were debating as a committee whether to go with a hand-painted mural or a few other options, and we chose this rather large flag on the side of the truck, which really has turned out gorgeous. The graphics on the truck look really nice, and we've gotten many compliments on it so far already. Just here at the factory, everybody's really impressed with the way that it looks, so we can't wait to get it home and let everybody else take a look at it. We started this process as a committee a little over 3 years ago, designing a truck, what were we going to go with? Were we going to build a pumper? Were we going to build a ladder? So we came across this quint style truck, and we narrowed it down, and we really, this truck for us is going to be a multi-purpose truck. Sitting down doing pre-construction with the gentleman here was a long day, but it was a very rewarding day to finally come down here after many hours in pre-construction, come down and see what this truck really looks like, how they were able to take everything from paper and put it into a real product. And it really, it's very exciting. We're really looking forward to getting it home and putting it to good use.